Are you tired of wasting hours on repetitive tasks? You know the ones, like sending manual emails or scheduling meetings or digging through data. But what if I was to tell you that AI can take care of all of this and more? In this video, I'll show you how to start using AI and streamline your workflows in just 3 simple steps. No fluff, just practical advice. So let's dive in. So first up, automation. So just for starters, start by thinking about something that you do more than twice a week. And that could be things like sending follow-up emails, booking appointments, or just updating your to-do list. Tools out there that's completely free to use and requires no code, like Make and Zapier, lets you create workflows that will automate these tasks. It's like having your own personal assistant, and almost completely for free. And this personal assistant never takes a day off and can do a ton of work. Next is data. So AI tools can analyze your data and even show you patterns that you might have missed. For example, they can tell you which leads that are most likely to convert and becoming your own paying customers, or can automatically generate reports for, let's say, your ad campaigns or just anything in general. And this essentially means faster decision making without making any guesswork. And finally, we have communications. AI chatbots can handle customer support queries, book services, and onboard new clients. They work 24 hours every day and make sure that no one is left without an answer to their question. And it's like having an extra team member just dedicated to answer every question without taking any breaks. But how do you actually start? Step 1 is to identify a pain point. Look at your daily tasks or even your schedule and pick one that feels like a time sink. Maybe it's answering repetitive emails, or maybe it's your employees asking you questions about literally anything. Step 2 is to find a simple tool and use that tool to automate your task. And if you're a beginner, you can use tools such as Make or Zapier for creating automations, or something like Botpress or VoiceFlow for creating internal chatbots. Most of them are completely free and also very user-friendly, and it's something that you can start doing without having any background in coding or tech or anything. And most of them are actually just drag and drop, and you already have in some cases pre-made templates for you to just select and input a few words, and then they're ready to go. And step 3 is to measure and expand. So once you see results like time increase or extra revenue, you can scale to other parts of your workflow. But there's one thing that's very important for you to remember, and that is that AI doesn't solve every problem at once. What I recommend is that you start by just solving a tiny problem and then build on from there. And a bonus tip, I have added my own favorite videos made for you who are looking for simple ways to start using AI inside of your business. And these videos you can find in my video description. So go down there, or of course you can also just visit my profile and start taking matters into your own hands. So there you have it. Start by identifying one time-wasting task, automate it with a simple tool, and then grow from there. AI isn't just for big businesses, it's for everyone who wants to save time and work smarter. If you have any questions or want help to get started using AI, you can leave your question in the comment section, or click the first link in my video description that will take you to my landing page where you can book a call with me. But to wrap things up, let's make work easier together. Thank you for watching.